What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome to the Vet Dad YouTube channel, where we do a lot of product reviews, how-to videos, kind of dad vlog style things that most dads would enjoy. And what tired, grumpy dad doesn't enjoy a good cup of coffee? So today we're going to be talking about this Ninja Luxe Cafe. We purchased this ourselves because we really enjoy a good cup of coffee in this family. It's the only way to get everything done that we have to do at the end of the day. This is just kind of the initial impressions of this machine. We've been extremely impressed with a lot of other Ninja products that we have. So today, I'm just going to kind of start off this series of content on this device with a simple black cup of coffee. That's what I drink the most. And so we'll get right into it. The nice thing about this particular machine is that it takes a lot of the thought process out as far as the grind size goes. There's just a lot to it. It can do a lot of different types of espressos. It's got a frother built in, but there's going to be a lot more videos to come on this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our cup here, and there's a little storage container right over here that swings out, depending on whether or not you're doing espresso or a regular cup of coffee, which you can do cold brew as well with this. There's storage for all the accessories, which was a nice feature that I liked as well. So we'll go ahead and we'll take this cup and we'll press it down in here. And then there is a filter that goes on here just to make sure that there's no mess or anything. So you just have to line up there we go. Now we got that all together. And then you're going to put it in the grinder here, and it's going to automatically figure out, based on the type of coffee beans that you have in the hopper, what the recommended grind size is going to be. So now that we have all that set up, we can go ahead and hit this start grind button. Okay, so everything's now there's a tamper that you would use if you're doing a shot of espresso or some of the more fancy things that you can do with this machine. But again, we're just getting started here. My wife is into more advanced level of using this, but I just kind of wanted to show how to do a simple cup of black coffee. So we're going to take our filter off. There's an orange dot over here where it's clearly marked where to insert this guy. There's a sign that says lock there. You're going to slide this over towards lock. Okay. Then you'll put your cup of coffee underneath there. If you're doing like a shot of espresso or you have a smaller coffee cup, there's a little shelf here that you can there just to kind of help make sure there's no mess or anything. We're not going to use that today, so we'll just keep it down there on the bottom. Go ahead and put our handy dandy coffee mug there. And then there's different size options. I'm going to be doing a 14-ounce cup of coffee today. This is just classic basic mode. This machine does so much more, but everything is pretty much ready to go. So we're just going to go ahead and hit start brew. I was a little worried at first that a lot of times I'm in between a work meeting or something and I just need to get a cup of coffee. We currently have a Keurig that we've had for many years, and it's just so easy to slap that cake up in there and jump on a work call or whatever, heading out the door to take the kids to school or whatnot. So I was like, oh man, I don't have 20 minutes to make a cup of coffee in between things. And but as you can see, this is pretty simple, and this is my first day really using it. I did do one cup of coffee this morning. That's why I'm a little hesitant in remembering the steps here. It's still kind of new to me, but you can see it's started the brewing process there. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit on that action. There's a relatively large water tank on the right side of the machine, so it holds quite a bit of water beans. So you're not, once you fill all that up, depending on how much coffee you drink, how many coffee drinkers you have in your family, it should last quite a bit. And then everything's super easy to clean as well. And your tamper, all these things are also just attached on the side. The little mess catcher. Having a hard time finding the right word to use, but that goes over there as well. And then all your different size cups that I showed you over here on the right side. We can shut that door. Another benefit you're getting with this particular setup is there's a lot of discussion out there about the plastic and K-cups and it can leach into the coffee. So obviously this is all stainless steel metal, and you're alleviating that as well. And there's no proprietary parts that you don't have to use a certain type of coffee or anything. You can put whatever kind of beans you want in here. Different styles of beans. You can have some beans from my alma mater, the Citadel. Almost got our 14 ounces here. So as we try different things and we master how to do them, there's going to be a lot more videos that we'll make on this particular machine. We also have a Ninja Woodfire Grill XL Pro Connect and a Ninja Creamy. So we're going to be doing some videos on the Ninja Creamy soon about how to make a protein shake with that. Wow, I'm zoomed in real tight. Done a lot of videos on the Ninja Woodfire Grill. So here we go. Cheers. It's just a better tasting cup of coffee when it comes out fresh with the freshly ground coffee beans than using the Keurig. So hopefully you got a little bit out of this if you're thinking about purchasing this particular Ninja Cafe. And I highly recommend this. I just wanted to get something out on it because this is relatively a recent product that Ninja has put out. So stay tuned for more videos to come on this. Hopefully my wife will teach me how to do some of the caramel macchiatos and all kinds of the fancy stuff. So hope everybody has a fantastic day.